Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. In this video I am going to discuss about types of cement and their uses in concrete structure. Okay, so which types of cement are available and what is their uses, where we should use which types of cement. In this video I am going to discuss about that, so I think that will be interesting. So let's start. And if you are new to my channel, you can watch our previous video. They have huge amount of video about civil engineering related. This is a channel for a civil engineer, so if you're a civil engineer then you're at right place. So let's start. So first of all we'll see the types of cement. So first of all, ordinary Portland cement. This is a cement, the worldwide most used cement, so I'll discuss about that later. And then rapid hardening cement, then sulfate resisting cement, then quick setting cement, after that low head cement, after that Portland pozzolan cement, PPC and OPC, and after that high strength cement, then high alumina cement, then expensive cement, and after that air entrenched cement, then hydrographic cement, chlorate cement, and white cement. We all know about white cement and ordinary Portland cement, and also rapid hardening cement, and also high strength cement, but they have some another cement types, so I'm going to discuss about that one by one. So actually in this lecture I'm going to discuss about the most important cement that are really need to know for a civil engineer about that and where we use that. So first of all we'll discuss about ordinary Portland cement, OPC. In every construction, almost in every construction, these types of cement are going to use, or they use that for any kinds of construction. So first of all, it is the most common cement used in construction industry, and it has a low resistance to chemical attack, and it has a medium rate of hardening. Then the chemical composition of ordinary Portland cement is lime, silica, alumina, iron oxide, magnesia, sulfur trioxide, soda, and potash. Out of the total production of cement, ordinary Portland cement account for 80 to 90%. In previous I have told you that almost every construction work the OPC cement are using by every construction company. And why that cement are being used, I have already discussed about that. So its production percentage is 80 to 90%. Almost to total production of cement, this cement production is 80 to 90%. Then the color of ordinary Portland cement is gray or greenish gray, and it has medium cracking resistance. Okay, it has medium cracking resistance. Now we'll discuss about rapid hardening cement. This cement is similar to ordinary Portland cement. It develops strength rapidly, so it is called it high early strength cement. It develops at the age of 3 days, the same strength as that expected of ordinary Portland cement at 7 days. The strength gained by rapid hardening cement in 3 days, the same strength gained by ordinary Portland cement by 7 days. That is the difference of that. And other ways, this cement is similar to ordinary Portland cement, OPC. It is used for the construction of important structure and underwater work. So rapid hardening cement used for underwater work. There it should be rapidly setting. That's why that cement is used there. And after that, if we discuss about sulfate resisting cement, so these types of use where the concrete comes in directly with soil. Okay, so to resist the sulfur from soil, this cement are used. So Portland cement is not able to resist the attack of sulfate. When uh, the construction is directly connected with the soil, then we have to use the sulfate resisting cement for that portion. Okay, because ordinary Portland cement is not able to resist the attack of sulfate. The purpose for pile foundation, because always we know that the pile foundation is under soil, that's why we have to use sulfate resisting cement for pile foundation and surage and water treatment of soil. Okay, in that position we have to use that types of cement. After that, quick setting cement. So this property is brought out from reducing the gypsum content at the time of clinker grading. What is the reason for quick setting cement? This cement is created, this cement is made by reducing gypsum. Okay, then it is most used in underwater construction. Quick setting cement is used like as a rapid hardening cement. So quick setting cement is mostly used in underwater construction. They are not also useful for the purpose of grouting. It is also used in cold and rainy weather condition. Okay, because in cold and rainy weather condition, the weather is very wet. That's why quick setting cement is required for quick hardening of the structure. Then low head cement. The ultimate strength of low head cement is same as the ordinary Portland cement. Ultimate strength is same as ordinary Portland cement. This cement is used in most concrete constructions such as dam, retaining work, etc. Portland pozzolan cement. It is gaining high compressive strength with age, unlike rapid hardening cement. Okay, so this cement is useful in marine and underwater construction. Portland pozzolan cement we can use for underwater construction. The uses is water tightness and mainly used in a building construction. So high alumina cement. This cement contains 32% alumina. This cement is much costly. There is no expansion in the setting of this cement. There have no expansion in the setting of this cement. At the time of setting, this setting do not expand. It involves mass amount of heat in setting, hence it should not use in the massive concrete construction. It has the capability of resisting the action of acid and high temperature. The use of high alumina cement in restricted to work for furnace and chemical plants. Then expensive cement. Expensive cement expand slightly with time and does not shrink during and after the time of hardening. That means expensive cement expands slightly with time and does not shrink during and after the time of hardening. Then the use of this cement is mainly used for grouting, anchor bolt and pre-stressed concrete. The use in hydraulic structure. For hydraulic structure, the expensive cement can be used. So finally, white cement. It is prepared from raw materials, free iron oxide, and is a type of ordinary Portland cement which is white in color. That means white cement is also ordinary Portland cement, but this white cement is free from iron oxide. White cement is free from iron oxide. It is prepared from raw materials, free from iron oxide. I mean, its raw material is free from iron oxide, and this color is white, and it's also a ordinary Portland cement, OPC cement. It is costlier and uses for architectural purpose such as precast, containing wall and facing panels. Like for this cement is used for tiles work also, and also this cement is used for, I mean, just appearance. Okay, the good appearance or good looking, for good looking this cement are used for. And for interior and exterior decorative, some time ago I have told you that for decorative work like as external rendering of building, facing slab, floorings, concrete products, path of grants, swimming pools, etc. So thank you for watching, and if you think that was helpful for you, just press the like button and also leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and also share how much possible with your engineering friend. So thank you for being with your channel School of Civil Engineering, and if you have any question and any query, you can comment me below, and you can also mail me, and your own comment and your own like inspire us for the next works. Thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.